My little candle is flickering, so yep. Whether or not they're married, they're going through a divorce, there's a child, somebody was helping out a parent, something like that, family member, somebody money is looking real funny. So, they're worried. But that's their karma. And unfortunately, like, the way that some of them treated you, yeah, this is their karma. It's like balance. It has to be, justice is going to be served, okay? Now, I'll just leave it there. Justice is going to be served. Alright, so, let's just hop in. I done talked enough with 3 cards. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Bottom of the deck, I have the Ten of Swords reversed. So this is telling me that, yeah, whoever you were dealing with, they stabbed you in the back. And they definitely want your forgiveness. See? They don't want to argue with you anymore. I feel like they didn't know, honestly, like, what to do, who to choose. And I feel like they were battling themselves. And see, now, they don't even know what to do to fix this situation because they put themselves in a mess. See, the Hierophant tried to jump out. I'm telling y'all, for some of you, they're married. Somebody's married or in some type of commitment. They done put themselves in a mess. Excuse me. Queen of Pentacles. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Let me see. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like this is you. Let me get one more. Tell me more. Let me just make sure. Yep. So, then I tell y'all aren't worried about this person. You guys are just focusing on yourselves, your healing, focusing on your own stability. And this person that you were dealing with, they know that you're no longer frustrated because I feel like for a lot of you guys, this person played games with you, that in and out, hot and cold mess, and they were very emotionally manipulative. And now it's just to the point where if you've heard from them, if they've, even if you haven't, it's just like the energy that I'm picking up with you guys, y'all just don't care no more. Like, you're done. And see, this person knows that they didn't bring balance to the situation. Like, you were doing everything, and so you're done. You're like, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not worried about you, whatever you got going on. Alright, so somebody's confident. Tell me more. Okay. Somebody's confident that they're going to have a victory with you. See what I'm saying? This person's going to come back in, but right now they're just not being positive. This person's going to come back and give you a gift, or there's some type of offer that's going to be put on the table, Libra. Tell me more. But they're worried. I feel like they're worried that you're going to say no. You're going to reject their offer. They're confident now because now they know that you're the one that they should have been with the whole time. If they were listening to other people, they just had bad judgment. But, yeah, they're coming in. See, I'm telling you, they're scared if they give you this offer, you're going to turn it down. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. That's not your energy. Tell me about this Queen of Wands. I feel like somebody's family member was in the way. Mother, sister, aunt, grandma, nanny. Somebody was in the way. Okay? Or this could be like another woman, another man. Y'all know how I feel about court cards. But somebody was in the way. And I feel like this person, they put themselves in a position to where they did take some type of financial hit. And I feel like they're trying to get out of a situation now so they can be with you. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo, but they're trying to have the strength to come towards you, Libra. See, they want to turn things around. They want to fix things, but they're scared things are not going to improve with you. I feel like if they were dealing with someone else, they're dropping this person. See? They know that they were being sneaky, and this is why they're scared things are not going to improve with you. Tell me more. They're going to rush in. That's that in and out energy. Let me see. Tell me about this Knight of Wands. See? That in and out, hot and cold. They didn't bring contentment to the situation here. It's like, and now because they put themselves in a bad position, they are suffering financially. Something is going on with their finances. And they're just not being honest and truthful about it. Tell me more. Two tens. Yeah, so whatever cycle was going on, it is coming to an end. There is going to be a new cycle that's going to start. This person definitely stabbed you in the back. You felt betrayed by this person, and I feel like you guys are just healing from it. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries here. But I feel like this person definitely wants stability with you. But the way the Chariot just came out, this is telling me that they want to move forward with you, but at the same time, they're scared that you don't want to move forward with them, and this is why they're not speaking their truth to you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. I just feel like this person doesn't want you guys to look back at the past, and honestly, I feel like they're watching you. Even though that card came out like that, I really feel like somebody is keeping an eye on you because you are moving on. See, this person left you out in the cold and you guys are healing. I'm telling you, you're over this person. And this is why they're scared. The way this just came out, they're scared that things may not improve with you. Even though they really want things to work out, they really feel like you're done. You're over the situation. Because they've lied to you. They've betrayed your trust. They've stabbed you in the back. What's this? The Hermit. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. The way the Hermit just came out, I feel like whoever messed up, they're reflecting right now. They're trying to figure out what to do or how do they put themselves in this situation. They're going back, I feel like replaying a lot of the things that they've said to you in the past, and just they were like, oh my God, I cannot believe I said that to the person that I know I'm supposed to be with. This is my true love. I've been listening to other people, and this is why they're isolating themselves from you. See, look at that. There's a tower. Something came crashing down. Honestly, and I also feel like something, it's like the universe stepped in. I feel like they showed them something. I feel like they showed them, like, what are you doing? Like, this is your person. And now they're having a hard time trying to come and give you an offer. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. There's the Empress. So, this person wants a new beginning with you. Maybe some, oh, God. Y'all know the Empress was at the bottom of the deck, and there's the Sun. Because I was just about to say, maybe for some of you guys, somebody may have gotten a person pregnant. So, that could be a situation, but I ain't going to take it just yet. But they wanted me to see something. So, that could be a situation where maybe somebody's thinking that they got someone pregnant. It's not confirmed. Maybe it has been confirmed, and this is why they're taking their time. So, let's just see how it plays out. Yeah, whatever is going on, this person feels like they're not going to be able to have the opportunity to build with you. Excuse me. And yeah, they're not taking a leap right now. They're not taking a leap because they feel like you're going to reject them. They're trying to weigh up some options here. They're trying to decide what to do. And it's like they're trying to hold on to hope, but at the same time, they don't. They feel like it's a wrap. Like, you don't want them anymore. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, you guys walked away from this situation that was just toxic. This person was playing around. They were playing games. They were playing with your heart. And you had to leave the situation alone. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Capricorn. But your guard is up, Libra. Your guard is up. And honestly, what I'm picking up for a lot of you guys, some of you guys don't know what's going on. And that's why with the Queen of Swords, you see her hand is extended because it's like you want to hear this person out because you want the truth. You want to hear what they have to say, but at the same time, you're like I'm tired of your nonsense. I'm tired of your nonsense. I'm tired. You know, it's like, okay, you keep bothering me. Every time I get a reading, you're showing up in it. I'm ready to move on with my life. So if there's something you want to say it so I can get, move the hell on. And so that's just what I'm seeing here. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, this person is moving slow. I feel like to give you some type of truth. Well, look, there's two women here. See, this person was juggling. Whether it's like their mother was interfering, the mother of their child. That's why I said it could be like a pregnancy they were dealing with. If it's not a pregnancy, if they already have children, maybe the child's mother or father came back in trying to disrupt some stuff. But at this point, it's just like I said, your guard is up. You're no longer opening up to this person. You're tired. You're done. And you don't see yourself having a happy home with this person. Somebody could be dealing with, I don't know if I said water sign, sorry, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person knows that you're their soulmate. They love you, but they feel like they messed up so bad. They're not gonna win you back. It's over. They do not want you to walk away, Libra, at all. But they keep thinking about what they did in the past. I feel like just looking at this, they're thinking about all the memories that you guys shared together, what the good times and the bad. And it's just like, when they look at you, they're like, the good time, for them, the good times outweigh the bad. But when you look at them, you're like, man, hell no. The bad times outweigh the good. Like, you did too much. But they really want to be with you. They want a family with you. See what I'm saying? There's an offer coming, Libra. They're coming to give you an offer. Tell me more. I thought they see clearly now. They see things for what it is when it comes to you. But see, you guys cut them off. Because we're dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, somebody's no longer frustrated about the situation. They're just tired. See, because, this person, whoever messed up, they're choosing to keep themselves stuck in a situation, whether it's with another man, woman, family, friend. They're choosing to keep themselves stuck. So while they're choosing to entertain whatever they got themselves in, this codependent situation, you're like, bye, I'm not dealing with this. No, I deserve way better. And see, by you cutting them off, they were moving slow once upon a time. Now they're getting ready to pick up the pace, and they're getting ready to come back in and offer you that new beginning. Y'all see how that just flowed? They're gonna come back. See, look at that. I'm telling you, this person they're going to come back in because they do not want to lose you. They know that you are the one that they are meant to be with. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person, they had you waiting. They had you waiting around. I feel like some of them gave you guys false hope, false promises, told you, if you do know what's going on, this is what it is, I'm coming. You're done. But I feel like this person was planting their seeds, and they were just patiently waiting for them to grow.
Good. Oh, this is going to be good. And I'm not even hearing the time frame because I wish I could tell you. But let's just see when this plays out. But if you're interested in a personal reading, please send me an email. I will leave the information in the description box. But that's what I have for you guys today. So I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. Guys. Bye. Guys.